Andy loves safety, but Andy isn't safety. Safety glass is not an option.
Oh, look at what I found. He's definitely an electrician. This right here is our main boat harness.
Wire nuts do not belong in a boat.
Cancel the job. Broke off. What's your project on this machine today, Jason? You want to cut that back out? So you want me to cut the back out?
No, I'm not scared to cut it out.
Let's take the rubber rail off first, and then you can cut the back. That sound good? Neil and I will continue to destruct and remove and see this type of stuff, and just get it gutted down to nothing.
Without her, I have nothing.
I got it!
The reason we cut the back of the boat out on the 202 was because the transom's all rotted, and they came with a water pan. And so basically what we did is we eliminated that. We're gonna take it to what the 203 looked like, flat with the drop, and it'll be all smooth. But the main reason was so we can repair that transom. Right, what are we taking out? On that poop?
Yes, it's nasty. Look at it, it looks like karma. It's like pee.
I think we're gonna get it out. No?
Have it stop here. Or cut this one up and make two tanks. Patch this back up, plastic weld it together. Tank is too large for the hole, so either we're going to have to cut it in half and make two tanks, or we'll try to weasel it out. I don't know that we're going to get it out of there. I'll have to cut it out probably.
My concern is that this tank is built for this boat to run.
I understand.
You know what I mean? All right, so my gas tank issue is that A, it won't come out. B, I want it to come out because I want to get all that cleaned up back there, and we have another vision for that back there. We don't want to leave any of that old carpet in there. All them wires got to come out. That plumbing's got to come out. The pumps have got to come out. But the reason why I don't want to just go and hack away at that gas tank is that gas tank was built for that boat, both for balance and efficiency, all of that. It was built for that boat. So now I'm kind of in a spot where it's like, okay, I got the boat I want, I'm gutted, I'm stuck at the tank.
Cut it and rip it out and
I would maybe make that tank stop here then.
My opinion is we should just cut it out so we can address the items that are in there and either fix what's there or just get some new tanks made for it. We should have 2 tanks, one on each side, because that's the way that boat was originally designed, and that's why that boat's so fast.
I think we should cut it. If we cut it and it comes out, get 2 aluminum ones made. I think the only way it's going to end up coming out is if they actually cut a couple sections out and just pull the whole thing out.
I don't necessarily want 2 tanks, like switch. I can't just go start cut. If I do cut it, I'm gonna have to rebalance it. So it's kind of a cluster mess right now. I gotta go home and think about it.
What do you got? Jason walking in the background. Nice job, Jason. I don't want to have to do that again.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were recording. All I was thinking about was going poop.
All I'm thinking about is going
I
poop.
thought you were just practicing. I apologize. It's all right. All I gotta do is poop.
All I'm thinking about is going poop. All I'm thinking about is going poop.
Stay tuned for the next episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell to witness the madness we call speed, money, and no brakes. Sorry, all I was thinking about was pooping.